Polkadot is trending toward a 6% boost by April 18 per coin data flow. To begin, here's a snapshot of the market movement. As we begin, Polkadot has risen 5.3% since yesterday and is priced near $1.321. Let's dive into the analyst expectations. Cryptonization expects to see the price drifting toward $1.286 by April 18, down roughly 2.6%. Coin price forecast projects Polkadot will decline toward $1.32, implying a drop of 0.1%. CoinLore highlights the outlook for reaching $1.34, a potential gain of 1.4%. Another prediction from CoinDataFlow notes Polkadot may rise toward $1.40, an estimated move-up of 6%. And in closing, 30 rates highlights a rise to $1.495 by tomorrow with a 13.2% gain. This is the most profitable forecast review. That's the end of the 5 calls. Let's carry on. Let's take a closer look at the key details of these forecasts. After pulling together all available outlooks, the market may move between a decline of 2.6% and a gain of 13.2%, depending on the analyst. It's clear that 30 rates expects the highest return with 13.2% gain in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could make between $1 and $132 for every $1,000 you invest. Judging by the probability, coin price forecast is ahead with a 94% chance of success. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. According to aggregated forecasts, Polkadot might approach $1.368, gaining near 3.6%. Now, let's zoom in on the numbers. The consensus forecast points to a 3.6% increase in price under current market expectations. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 3.6% if the trend follows through. On each $1,000 of capital, this projection might reflect about $36 in growth, and the probability of this consensus forecast being realized is about 73.1%. Let's pause here and check the 3-day forecasts from analysts. Cryptonization highlights a bearish short-term picture. Coin price forecast suggests that the price will stay confined to a narrow range. CoinLore highlights that Polkadot is on an upward path. CoinDataFlow suggests that the near-term picture is one of balance, with prices showing little variation. 30 rates points to the price breaking higher in the short term. Collectively, the forecasts show Polkadot with upside momentum. So, 80% of analysts are leaning toward a bullish outlook for Polkadot. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. The question is, which ones matched reality? As a result, the market wrapped up at $1.329. Out of all 5, only 2 aligned with the actual direction. Gulf Capital Collector came out with the most exact forecast. Now let's structure the results. A total of 2 forecasts fit neatly into the daily candle. For ROI, a few analysts showed profits, with Gulf Capital Collector leading the positive group at 3.4%. Here's a quick results overview, a visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. Also worth noting, coin price forecast had a forecast probability of 89%, $0.169 accuracy, and 14% ROI. Take a second and decide who deserves the top spot today. Now let's see how Polkadot ranks among other assets based on their forecasted returns for tomorrow. This time Polkadot isn't first as Zcash posts 5% potential gain. For now, I've compared Polkadot with just 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison and analyst performance overview will soon be published on my website and Telegram. That's the end. Subscribe and keep watching how new forecasts compare each day. Have a good one.